Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the PS4 version of a game on your PlayStation 5. So if you want to get like Grand Theft Auto PS4 version so you can play with your friends, let's go to the game library. And if you don't have it already on your console, go over to your collection and let's look for Grand Theft Auto and see if we can find it. Otherwise, I'm just going to go to search on the top because I have like 500 games. So let's just go to search right here. And then just type in, oh, there it is, Grand Theft Auto. Grand Theft Auto. And hopefully this shows up when I press R2. And then I can go down to the game, and we want to go to View Product. So here it is. It's in my library. Go to the right, go to More, View Product, and then do it one more time. And then we should be able to find the different versions. So here's PS4 and PS5, PS5, PS4, PS4 Premium. So very easy to download it. Just go to the product page and you should be able to find it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.